It's good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It tastes it. Blow. Oh, it's gonna be hot. That's yummy. Is it taste it? Yummy? Yummy?
Yeah.
See? Guys, see, you like to.
It tastes like squash.
Yeah.
It's so good.
So good. Okay. So now it's ready.
And now we get the Hi guys, today we'll be cooking squash with coconut milk. Start first, put the stove on max heat, and then you pour oil.
Not too much.
That much?
Okay, a little bit more.
Why not around?
There?
Why
That's
not?
it.
Why did it put it? Time to put the garlic.
Where's your garlic? So,
The garlic?
don't include this one.
Why?
That's ginger. Ah, sige.
So why are you putting this plate?
Okay, then mix it.
Now when the garlic is light brown, we can put the onion.
Not these two. No!
You learn how to cook.
Yes.
It's a little bit sikit-sikit. She's scared of the... Okay, what did you do, Anna?
This is why I never want to cook.
Ay,
Smells so good.
Sometimes.
oh.
I can't cook when I'm big.
You have to cook or else you get hungry.
We're
When
eating
I go to summer camp, I'll just cook eggs. Now we're gonna put the squash.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Slowly lang. Closer. Yeah.
Okay, you. Can I try now? Can I try now? You can try it. Now we're putting the
What's that?
powder.
Seasoning?
Yeah.
Salt. Okay. Hindi na. Ay! Okay. Sprinkle it.
Then put powder.
Yeah. Oh, powder. Oh, it's seasoning salt.
Oh,
Then black pepper.
Black pepper. No, I don't need it. I'm gonna put it. I can do it.
How much?
Okay, that's enough. Okay. Mix it up, yeah.
Now we're gonna put the coconut milk. Let's just pour it down. We'll mix it.
Okay, mix it,
It's
yeah.
like that when we remove the charger and then go. If you want plenty of soup, you can have a cup. You can put a cup of Can I put the ginger?
Okay. Yeah.
Can I mixing now? I'm
Okay.
mixing.
And then mix it and cover it, okay?
Hide the ginger. I hide the ginger. Your nose where it is.
So we have to wait until the squash is soft. And then we can add the celery and the
The pepper?
bell pepper.
Bell pepper.
Okay, you can cover it, yeah.
Can I try now? Can I?
Cover it first.
After a few minutes, when the squash is soft, remove the top.
The cover.
Okay. Really good.
Yeah.
Can I pour mine?
Yeah. You can add the, what's that?
What is it?
Celery.
Celery.
Okay. And then, what else?
You add the bell pepper.
Okay. And then you can mix it.
No, it's not. It's still hard.
Soft.
But you don't know if it's round.
I,
Maybe you eat it soft.
yeah, I tried it. Sit properly.
Make sure it's not on this kind of side. It's gonna fall down.
Try this.
How
It's
do I
good now.
try the soup? I want to try the soup. I want to try the soup. How do we?
I'll give you a spoon.
I'm gonna try a soup of a tiny piece in this one. Yes!
It's
Don't
okay.
drink it too. Mm,
It's good?
yeah.
Yeah.
It tastes it. Low. Oh, it's gonna be hot. That's yummy. Is it taste it? Yummy? Yummy?
Yeah.
See? See, you like soup.
It tastes like squash.
Yeah.
It's so good.
So good. Okay. So now it's ready.
And now we get the turn it off. And then your food is ready. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye. God bless.